it's Komori, and today we're going to be making Mizore's skirt from Rosario Vampire. We're going to start by cutting a rectangle, the length you would like for the waistband. Then we are going to fold it in half and zigzag along the edge to keep them from fraying and to hold the two sides together. Next, we're going to cut out some long rectangles for the base of the skirt. Now, for Mizore's skirt fabric, I really couldn't find a good plaid that looks like the Rosario Vampire school uniforms. It's just so unusual of a color scheme. I really couldn't find anything that looked quite right. So I got this checker print fabric from my Joann's. It's in the homespun section, but it's not really a plaid. It's still very much a check. So, while it's a bit tedious, I did go through and on a couple squares sewed some additional lines just with some green thread to give it a little bit more dimension and make it not look quite as checkerboard-like. Then we're going to pleat the large rectangle so that it's the length of the waistband. Sew the waistband to the top of the pleated skirt. I also added a bit of top stitching to keep everything in place. Then on the sides of the skirt, we're going to zigzag the edges to keep them from fraying. Sew the skirt together along the center back seam and insert a zipper. Then finish the edge of the skirt with a rolled hem. And with that, Mizore's skirt is done. For more videos on how to make the rest of the costume, please subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.